welcome to our design showcase of the JPC and RPC connectors. Let's begin with the JPC, or joint plate connector. The JPC allows for free mounting of 2 or more pillars in any angle on a 180-degree plane. Designed for a secure lock point precisely every 15 degrees, or by special order, 22.5 degrees. And of course, it can be used as a 90-degree bracket for 2 pillars. JPC is designed to have 2 pieces of the same series to be used in one connection. We recommend installation with either washers, lock washers, or flange screws, as well as tightening the screws in a diagonal fashion in order to separate points of stress. Moving on to the RPC, or rotation plate connector, the RPC allows for freely mounting a pillar on a perpendicular axis of another pillar with solid mounting points every 15 degrees, or by special order, 22.5 degrees. We recommend a single RPC for lighter loads, and double RPCs for heavier loads, which connect above and below. Our revolutionary ultrapillar system is the reliable modular structural platform for all your innovations. Your ultrapillar solution is currently available for pre-order. Please visit us at farfarawaycompany.com, where our catalog and sales contacts are available. Ultrapillar, a pillar of creation.